Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I'm back with another project share. So I'm super excited to share all of this with you because I totally wanted to do this for a while and I've tried different ways of doing it. So I'll share with you some of my mistakes. And then I did see DM, who is Cutesy Shelf here on YouTube. Hey DM, she has a tutorial on how to do it, and so I just followed her tutorial, and that was the best method for me. So I also saw the first video that I saw that inspired this was by Jimmy Lani, so I will try to link that video. She had like several videos though, so I would probably just share one of them. But anyway, this is the project. So if you ever go to Japan or you see like an Asian market, they probably have candies in this kind of wrapping, and so I was trying to accomplish that look, but it's a little tricky because it's all one piece usually, and then you have to figure out a way to make the separations. And so Lani did a tutorial, but hers is like 4 parts or something like that. And then she had like a big piece of cellophane, and I think you like fold it and put tape in the middle. But I wanted to try and use like a heat tool. So okay, I tried several things. So I tried this first. This is the Lei making tubing. It's poly tubing that you can put stuff inside, and we make leis out of it by putting like candy, and then you like use ribbon in between. So I thought that that would work, but I think it's not, I mean, it's okay, but it's not as nice because the poly tubing is just not as clear. It's more cloudy looking, so I didn't like it. And then when I tried to use my heat tool, which is it's this, it totally melted it. And even when I used, I think the pressing cloth, it didn't work. So I scrapped that idea, and I can always use that to make a lei later on. But anyway, going back to this tool, I did get this from Amazon, and it has like a crimping feature, so that's how you get the crimping look, I guess. But it does get very hot, so you do need to use the pressing cloth, otherwise it's gonna melt whatever you're trying to heat. Okay, the other thing that I tried was these cellophane bags. So I got this from my local craft store, and I thought that that might work, and it probably will work with like a those other heat sealers, the one that you just press down, those big industrial looking ones. So I will try that a little bit later. But anyway, going back to this project, so what worked best was what DM recommended, which is I think she calls it PVC. It's like vinyl. It's a clear vinyl that you can get by the roll. It looks like this. And you can get it from like Walmart, or I don't know, I'm sure any fabric store would probably have it. I think she said even hardware stores carry it. So I had some left over from when Christian was teaching us how to make those bags, like little beach bags and stuff, using that. And so I just cut off a strip. I don't even know how long it was. I just wanted to get some cut because it's on a long roll. And then I started making little packets for it. So this is the first one I did just to test the sealer to see if it works and how I need to use it. So she's right, you do have to use a pressing cloth in between so that it doesn't melt whatever you're trying to heat and seal. But I think it came out pretty cute. I just used some pom-poms that I had on my desk, and I tried to do it that way. So you do need to join it together using like red line tape. So that I just used that, and that seems to help. So what I'm also thinking is, if you don't have a heat sealer, you could probably just use red line tape, and that would work to make the separations. But you just won't get this crimp look. That's the only thing. So this is the first one I did. And then I thought I would be a little bit more fun. And I wanted to see, you know, I wanted to try and make 2 like this, but maybe a little bit bigger. And so this one, I got some shells from just my stash. And then the starfish is from Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio in one of her kits. And then I just added some sequins that had some shells in it. And then this one I did the seashell, and this is a sunglasses from Solo Crafts, which is Denise, one of her kits that I just got. So I just thought for fun I would try to make something like this. And I thought that came out kind of cute. And then I got a little more ambitious and I wanted to make one of the longer ones. So this is typically how you would see it, like in a Japanese grocery store or wherever you're gonna buy the candy from. And I'm really lucky, if anybody knows where you can find the fake Japanese colored sugar candies. It's just sugar, like rock candy, but it's in these little balls. It kind of looks like the COVID-19 symbol, you know, the little germ looking thing. Anyway, so I wanted to try and see if I could make a longer strip. So that's what I did here. And I just used, I tried to make it like a little Twin Stars theme. So I'd used some of that, those polymer clay bits. So this is the boy. And then I just added some other things like these little beads and the stars, of course. And then this one I put in buttons of the same colors. This one is the girl. And then I did the same thing, the stars and these other pearl bits. And then this one I just put little pearls. You can't really tell in this lighting, but it's really pale pink, pale blue, and white. So I thought that was kind of cute. DM actually puts washi tape on the top, and then she cuts it using like pinking shears. But I just wanted to try and do it quickly using just the heat tool since I have that corrugated look. And I think it came out really cute, so I might try and make more of those. And then she also made these little candy looking charms, and so I'm like, oh my god, I need to make those. So so I just cut up a bunch and I just made them with one. I didn't want to do too long because if you're gonna use it as a charm on something, it can be a little cumbersome. So these are all the ones that I made. I think this is the first one that I made, and I really love how it came out. So I just put a Hello Kitty cabochon in there and some flower sequins. So this is just some pink and white, and that's it. And then you just have to put, you punch a hole, use an eyelet, and then I just put a little clasp on it. And then you can add it to other parts, like other dangles. But it's so cute. Oh my god, I love it. And then you can make it however you want. That's what I love about this project. Okay, so then I wanted to make a red one. So here is a Hello Kitty with the big bow. And then I just added some white flowers. And then I did a strawberry. And I used some of the strawberry polymer clays. I think Marissa might have given me that strawberry. It's super cute. And then I did this one. So this one I just added some of the fake sprinkles. And then, because it looks like a macaron, a bunny macaron. So I just used this, I think this is like Easter colors. So anyway, I just went like more pastel. And then I did the fox. The fox is really cute. I wasn't sure what colors to match with him, so I just used gold stars. And then I did this bear. So cute. Oh my god, I love these. They're so cute. I don't know which one is my favorite. I think I gotta go with Hello Kitty. This is probably my favorite, but I like all of them. Look how cute this bear is. And then the last one I made was the rainbow. Oh my god, you guys, these are so fun. You have to give it a try. And yeah, so the cool thing is you can totally size it down to however big you want it, right? Because it's up to you and what you're going to put in. So DM's ones, I think hers were a little bit bigger because she put like several charms inside, or several things inside of one. But I guess I like smaller things, so I just decided to try and make it as small as I could. So I tried to not to pick things that were like too big, and I don't know. Anyway, it was like super fun, and I totally want to make some more. But I ran out of time because yesterday was Father's Day, so I wasn't able to make as many as I wanted to, but I will definitely be making more of these, even if it's just to make it to give away to other people. So go check out DM's tutorial because she does a really good job, but she also, like I said, puts washi tape on the top. So that's an option for you, and in the middle, or you can, if you have like this crimping one, you can just use that. So again, you do have to use a pressing cloth in between. I just use something really light. This is, I'll show it to you. It looks like this. So it's not too thick. I was using something that was thicker earlier and it wasn't giving enough heat to seal it. So anyway, that is my project share. I just wanted to you know, do a shout out to DM because she totally inspired me to try it out, because I've been wanting to do it for a while. As you can see, I bought a lot of the stuff, but I just didn't have the I don't know. You said I just have to like mentally prepare for these things. So I wasn't mentally prepared until I saw her video, and then I'm like, hey, I'm gonna just do it. So thanks, DM, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.